everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Lumineux Orals Essential, and of course, who doesn't love a good set of pearly white teeth? I always use white strips, toothpaste, mouthwash, anything you name it to get a good set of pearly white teeth. I saw this on Facebook and Instagram. I was like, I have to try it out. So I bought the whitening kit, which comes with the white strips, toothpaste, mouthwash, and a little toothbrush as well. And of course, this is the first time me opening this box, so I haven't tried it out or anything. I just want to test it out, so this is the first impressions for me. Alright, so the first product I'm going to use, of course, are the white strips. And of course, it's like regular white strips. You put them on your front part of your teeth, your lower part of your teeth, and you wait about 30 minutes. And of course, you take them out and you rinse and you brush if you want to. And you can't drink or eat anything after 30 minutes of using these, so I'm going to test them out. Alright, so this is what the package looks like. So I'm just going to tear it open. Alright, I just put them in. Of course, it's hard for me to talk since I have white strips on my teeth. So I just set my timer for 30 minutes, of course, and I will get back to y'all as soon as it's done. Alright, so I still have a bunch of gel on my teeth after taking off the white strips, so I'm going to use their toothpaste and their toothbrush. So of course, I'm going to brush my teeth off screen because hopefully everybody knows how to brush their teeth. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, I just got done brushing my teeth. I feel like my teeth look really white, so now I'm going to use their mouthwash. And of course, it says to get a capful and swish for about 60 seconds, so I'm going to do that as well. But you have to shake this up before using, so I'm going to shake this up and use it, and I'll get back with y'all. So overall, I really like their product. Granted, I know this was my first time using it, and of course I didn't see a dramatic difference just because my teeth are white, but you can't beat whitening your teeth for $45 for white strips, mouthwash, toothpaste, and a toothbrush for $45 for white teeth. Can't beat it.